a step-by-step guide on how to open iPhone 11 for repairs. First, needs proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Make sure the phone is powered off, then remove the SIM tray. Next, apply heat around the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Place the front screen side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till the process completes. Around 1 minute will be ideal. Note that some models may need extra heating to loosen the adhesive. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer for the heating process. And use a pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two bottom screws. Once the heating process is complete, use a suitable suction cup or something similar to lift the screen. Here, we use a regular suction cup to lift the front assembly. Use the suction cup at the bottom to raise the screen. Then gently pull the screen to create a gap for inserting a plastic car pry tool or triangle picker. Next, work around the screen to free the rubber gaskets on the frame. You can use a picker or car pry tool in this step. This process will take time and needs patience. When using the tool, insert only the tip. Do not push it in too far, as it may damage the flex cables. Once the screen is free, open the screen to a 90-degree angle from left to the right. Please note that the flex cables are still attached and be extra careful with them. Next, remove 5 screws securing the LCD connector shield. Next, remove 3 screws securing the battery connector shield. Be gentle with the LCD cables while unscrewing. While pulling out the shields, be gentle with the flex cables. Once the shields are removed, first disconnect the battery connector. Then unplug the two LCD connectors, followed by the earpiece assembly plug from the logic board. And now you can separate the screen from the body.